Tobago goes all out for World Food Day with its signature two-day grand exhibition at the parade grounds backlet. Here, fresh fruit, vegetables and ground provision, as well as locally made agro-processed products are available all in one place. And there's also a variety of seedlings, fruit trees and horticultural plants. This year's theme is Our Actions Are Our Future. Healthy diets for a #Zero Hunger World, and it's being endorsed by patrons at the 2019 edition.
What we try to do here, and we hope that people get the message that good nutrition and good eating habits and reliable production of food in a sustainable way, it is what we have to go forward with as we move into the first half of the 21st century.
Without a healthy diet, you could put your health in trouble. So I believe it is a good move to go into that direction, because without health, you really have no wealth.
Patrons had good suggestions for ensuring our diets are filled with more wholesome foods.
If you plant, you'll enjoy it. You will enjoy it, because it's a joy to see when it's something like when you plant and it's at a blossom, it's at a beer reaping time. It's low the blood pressure.
Support local farmers. Seek out when you're buying your food at the local markets and so on. Ask whether or not the food was sourced from a local farmer. Make that inquiry and making that appeal to the consumer.
This year, the exhibition featured 150 booths. The public also got to interact with indigenous wildlife and locally bred livestock. They are glad the island continues to observe World Food Day in this way.
I am particularly pleased that a lot of these things are done right in Tobago. So it shows that there is a future in agriculture, and I hope that everybody have a chance to come out, explore, and really do something that will help us go from strength to strength.
I think the participants who are here are very happy for the opportunity to showcase what they do. And when you look at the amount of people who are walking through here, you know that Tobago populace is happy that there is this kind of activity that they can attend.
This year World Food Day was really nice. They bring back everything real nice, everything together. Everything was well organized, well put together.
The grand exhibition is spearheaded by the THA's Division of Food Production, Forestry and Fisheries. I'm Omodara Mills for Let's Talk Tobago.